Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to check the OS release version, that is operating system release version and other details in a Rocky Linux 8 operating system. So first let me open the terminal, login as a root user because file is located at /etc. So cat /etc/os-release. So this will display full details about this operating system release. What is the name of the operating system? What is the full name? That is pretty name. What is the version? Okay, everything will be displayed here. Version ID. So you can make use of this command. Okay, you can customize this command by using grep. Okay, if you want to extract the name of the OS, or if you want to extract pretty name of this OS, or if you want to extract the version ID, means you can make use of this file os-release. So this will be useful for you when you use in shell script or some other programs to get the OS release version details. Okay. So this is the way to check OS release details in Rocky Linux 8 operating system.